In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if selfies taken on the front camera are mirrored after we took them. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and now I'm gonna open up a camera app. Then we need to tap right here at that button to switch to the front camera. And now I'm gonna take a selfie by hitting right here. As you can see on the screen, on the camera screen here, at the left corner, we can see my softbox. However, if now we open up the photo, you can see that softbox here at the photo now located on the right side of the image. It means that the photo was mirrored just like that before saving. And if you have the same issue, now I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix that. Now, guys, first off, we need to head over to settings and then just scroll down to camera. Here we need to search for camera and then get into it. On camera settings, we need to search for mirror front camera, and then all we have to do is just turn it on. Now, if we take a picture, I'm gonna take one more. As you can see, now it hasn't been mirrored at all. Basically, guys, that's how we can easily fix that issue. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.